Here's how you can change password on Facebook. So first, navigate to Facebook application on your mobile phone. After opening the Facebook application, you will see this interface where you'll have to click on your profile icon in the top right. Now, click on this three-lined icon at the top left and you will see these options. Here, you're going to click on Settings and Privacy. Once you click this, you will see these options, from which you'll have to choose Settings. Now, click Account Center at the top and you will see Password and Security option just right here. Click this and you will see this page where you have the option to change your password. Click Change Password. Click your account that you want to change the password for. Now, on this page, you'll have to simply enter your current password in this field. So enter your current password, enter your new password, retype your new password, and simply click Change Password just right here. And your password will be instantly changed. Now, if you don't remember your current password, you can click Forgot Your Password option. Now, they will send you a login code through any number that will be connected to your Facebook account. So click Send to that number, or you can also try other ways if you want to. Now, simply enter the new code that you're going to receive on your WhatsApp and click Continue. After you click Continue, you're going to see this page. Here, you'll have to basically enter a new password that you want for your account. So, create a new password that is at least 6 characters long, a combination of letters, numbers, and punctuation marks. Now, click Next. Once you click Next, your password will be instantly changed. So, that's how you change password on Facebook. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.